Hello, what is up guys? I'm from Peso Smart PH here. Welcome sa panibagong episode. Shout out to all the podcast listeners as well. I appreciate you all. Today, we're gonna discuss yung mga PSE market news last week. Starting off with the index summary. So, yung PSEi is finally nag-close na at around 7,000 points. So, last week yun. So, nung Friday, nag-close na yan. 7,002.26 to be exact. So, yung change niyan is up siya ng 38.25 points or 0.55%. So, yung all shares nasa 4,294.97 na. Up yan ng 19.54 points or 0.46%. Total volume is around 2.7 billion. In total trade is around 77,000. Then in total value is around 5.8 billion. So yeah, ang laki na, no? And I think sustain naman, no, yung mga active trades na ito. Then now, punta na tayo sa unang article which is galing sa Business World. Ayala Land develops waterside district and Cebu. I think pinost ko ito sa Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube community tab last week. So yan, no? So solid itong project na ito ng Ayala. Ito yung dinedevelop nila, which is around 26 hectare sustainable waterside district in Cebu. Ang tawag dito is South Coast City with SM Prime Holdings Incorporated and Cebu Holdings Incorporated. So solid, no? So yung features nito, around 2.7 hectare commercial center called District Square. So maraming businesses, no, na magfa-flock dito sa project na ito and sa district na ito kapag nabuksan na, no? Then the center will have 11 commercial lots for sale ranging from 1,777 square meters to 2,601 square meters. And the block development construction of the District Square, which is more than halfway through, is aimed to be completed by June next year. So, ang bilis, no? Ang bilis ng turnover. And then meron ding 1.1 hectare na park sa South Coast City, a convention center, and Cebu's first arena, among others. So, wow. So, dapat magkaroon na sila ng parang basketball team, parang pseudo NBA dito sa Philippines. But, yeah, we'll see kung magagawa yan. Next up, SEC clears IPO of St. Pius Medical Center. So, ito hindi rin sa PSE mismo, no, magte-trade. Although mag-IPO sila, pero over-the-counter lang din. So, yung SEC has approved the initial public offering of St. Pius Medical Center Incorporated or SPMCI for up to 480 million pesos worth of shares. So, grabe, ang dami, no. So, nasa 16,000 common shares yan. Grabe, mahal naman ng stock nila, no. So the SEC said that the intended market for the said IPO will be medical specialists and the public, adding that SPMCI will offer 1,600 blocks consisting of 10 shares each, priced from 10,000 pesos to 300,000 pesos per block. So yeah, hefty yung price niya, no? The shares will be traded over the counter through the company's directors, sabi ng SEC. So yeah. So, I'm not sure kung paano nag-work, no, yung over-the-counter na yun, or like kung pwede mo bang magawa yan like online lang. So, I'm not sure. But yeah, hindi pa siya like open, no, like para sa atin, like sa general public. Then, ito naman, no, good news. PSE raises robust 122.5 billion pesos in first half. So, first half pa lang ng taon, no, yung natapos. And then, ang laki na agad, no, ng mga na-raise ng PSE sa mga IPOs. So, ayun nga, yun yung amount. Sabi nila, this already exceeds the total amount raised in the local bourse in 2020. So, last year, hindi naman talaga magandang mag-IPO, no? Kasi, like, most likely kapag ka nag-IPO ka, last year, stagnant lang yung stock prices mo and then, magtatank ng konti kahit pa paano. So, ang sabi ni Ramon S. Monzon, no, yung President and Chief Executive Officer ng PSE, capital raising activities at PSE continue to be robust and we remain optimistic that we will be able to hit our targets by year-end. So, sa ngayon, no, sa lagay ng market, maganda rin mag-IPO kasi, di ba, nag-7,000 na nga ulit, no? Nag-7,000 mark na ulit yung PSEi. Although, starting this week, I think, bababa yan ng konti, no? Siyempre, like, parang sort of correction. But, healthy naman yun, no? Hindi naman pwedeng, like, pataas lang na pataas palagi. But, solid, no? Solid na nag 7,000 na ulit tayo. And I hope na, masustain siya kahit paano. Although, yeah, For sure magsi 6,900 something ulit yan by the start of this week, unless magkaroon ng sobrang buying activity sa market. But yeah, I expect that it will go down a bit, and then, itetest na ulit yung 7,000 mark, and then yun yung para magiging support na ulit natin. And then, ito naman, good news din para sa ABS-CBN. So, yung Cinema One MYX, magsa-start na sila mag-air sa Cignal. So, in-announce sila nung Thursday that its pay television channel Cinema One and MYX are now on Cignal. So, sabi nila, the home of Filipino blockbuster movies, Cinema One, now on Cignal Channel 45, is bringing tons of fresh and classic films through its 24/7 programming, including edgy content from the long-running Cinema One Originals Festival, sabi ng ABS-CBN. So, pati yung music channel na MYX. So, ako, kabataan ko, like, yan yung mga pinapanood, Hero, di ba? Yung mga anime na Tagalog dubbed. And then, ayan yung MYX. So, yan yung mga kinalakihan ko. Diyan ko na tawag dito. Diyan ko na pakinggan yung ano bang mga band nabablanko ako, yung Sponge Cola, yung Q-Shay, yung Sandwich, yung ano pa ba, basta sobrang dami. Hail, yung kumanta ng Jopay, Mayonnaise. And then bukod sa OPM, marami ring like international artists like My Chemical Romance, Fall Out Boy, all that stuff, no? So glory days nung 2000s. So yan, it's good, no? It's good na mangyayari to for ABS-CBN, and yeah, that's still, added revenue for them. Then next one, this is pretty big, for now, syempre. But syempre in the future, mas magiging malaki pa to. Kasi itong headline niya, PSEi may host cryptocurrency trading, and yung keyword dito is May. So May, right? So yan, sabi nung PSEi, they want to host the trading of cryptocurrencies to protect investors. I'm not sure if that is really what they want, but yeah, of course, yun yung sasabihin nila. But of course, they don't want to miss out dun sa mga fees, dun sa revenue, added revenue ng mga fees na matcha-charge, sa mga traders. Lalo na ang daming mahilig mag-trade talaga. Ang daming mahilig mag-day trade, mag-swing trade, whatever trading that may be. So, itong cryptocurrency nga, diba? Sobrang nag-boom nitong 2021. Kasi, like, na-ride yung bull market no nag-start last year. And then, grabe, ang dami talaga na-reach nitong crypto this year. That's why, syempre, they want to dip their toes, itong PSEi. Kasi, yun nga, yun yung main reason. Added revenue. And yes, like, secondary to. But this is not I mean, that's very hypocritical of them to say that they just want to protect investors. No, that's not it. Kasi PSEi is also a business. I mean, yes, so yeah, they still care about us, like the investors. But, sino bang magta-touch ng crypto if you're not like a trader? Like, konti lang din talaga yung investor mismo sa crypto. So, syempre, we want to make money, right? So, that's the thing then with the PSEi. They want to make money, they're a business. So, this will become very profitable for them kapag nangyari ito. And yung further developments is like mababalitaan na lang natin, and then eventually mas magiging madali na yung trading and yung investing sa cryptocurrency here in the Philippines. And mas magiging accessible din siya. Then another good news. So, ito sobrang solid nito from Shakey's, or yung stock code nila na pizza. So, nabigay sila ng press release. Ang sabi dito, Shakey's Pizza reduces employees' travel time to work, effectively boosting satisfaction and productivity. Sorry, nabubulil ako. I'm not sure why. Ayun. So, nag-roll out sila ng initiative last year to bring store employees closer to their place of work and reduce their travel time. And that makes a lot of sense. Like, dito sa Metro Manila in particular, ang daming, like, parang misplaced yung work nila compared dun sa bahay na tinitira nila or kung saan sila umuwi, right? Like, kahit sa school. Like, may mga schoolmate ako dati na nasa Makati yung school ko kasi Mapua Makati. And then, they're from Cavite, they're from Rizal, they're from Laguna, they're from QC. Yung QC nga, Metro Manila pa rin. Pero, ang layo. Like, nagko-commute sila, iba nagda-drive, but sobrang hassle talaga. 'Di ba? And then, sa trabaho, ganun din, 'di ba? Syempre, pag nagsisimula ka pa lang, pagka-graduate mo, like, para makatipid ka, syempre, you're still staying with kung saan ka nakatira nung estudyante ka, diba? And most likely, sa parents mo, sa tito, sa tita, or basta sa family, right? Para less expenses kaysa like, mag-solo ka agad. Unless like, it makes sense for you. So, di ba yung iba nag-ano rin? Kasi nakakapagod talaga yung biyahe. Isa yan sa parang nakita kong benefit eh. That's why I work from home like initially when I started working basically. So from 2017 until now, I'm working from home. Although like there was a period in time around 3 to 6 months na nag-office din ako before for training purposes, but bumalik din ako sa work from home, and then yun nga COVID happened, the pandemic happened, and then like lahat is bumalik din naman, or like naging work from home din naman. So yun, but of course iba yung case ng Shakey kasi like their main businesses are restaurants. So, kailangan talaga ng employee like sa physical stores nila. So, yun. Anyway, sabi nila as a result, 7 out of 10 pizza store employees now spend 30 minutes or less traveling to their respective store outlets, bringing ease, safety, and convenience amid challenging times. So, yeah, this is really good, no? So, maganda itong program na ito na ni-roll out ng Shakey's ng pizza, bali. Kasi hindi lang naman Shakey's yung yung tawag dito, yung restaurants, itong pizza. Itong Shakey's Pizza Asia Ventures. So marami silang group yan ng restaurant. So ang daming affected na employees. I mean, ang daming nag-benefit na employees for this one. And yun nga, they get to keep their current jobs, and then mas hassle-free na, or like mas maikli na yung travel time nila, and less hassle, mas tipid sa pamasahe, and mas tipid sa gas kung nag-drive sila, and mas madaling makauwi, and hindi ka na like mas-stress, or like hindi na madagdagan ng pagod, no. Siyempre pagod ka na sa work, and then commute ka pa, tas ang layo-layo, di ba? Yung iba pag sa probinsya pa na uwi, like like Laguna, sabihin natin katabi lang ng Metro Manila, but still ang tagal ng biyahe. And yun talaga yung isang contributor sa stress natin, and then sa pagod talaga. Then next one naman is from Rockwell Land Corporation. Yung stock code nila is ROC. Solid. So yung subject ng disclosure, Rockwell Land set to launch 2 new Rockwell centers in Angeles and Bacolod. So sabi nila sa annual stockholders meeting ng June 30, nag-announce sila ng plans to expand its presence, and with the launch of 2 new flagship projects in Angeles, Pampanga, and Bacolod. So additional information na binigay nila, total sales value of 2021 project launches 21 billion pesos. Ang laking pera niya. And din yung capex budget nila is around 14 billion pesos. So maganda tong development for this particular company. And yeah, flagship projects din to. So I believe this is like gonna sell out fast. Kasi magandang investment, no? And like itong mga areas na to, like yes, this is not Metro Manila, but saan ba pupunta yung ibang tao, no, na dami rin kasi yung nag-move out. I'm not sure kung, and I may have to be corrected on this one, but I believe may nabasa ako isang article, or like parang sa statistics, no, na ang daming nag-move out from Metro Manila pabalik sa mga provinces nila. So I believe these kinds of projects na nasa provinces, no, this will really be profitable for the real estate companies, or like real estate people, or the real estate industry in general. Kasi nga ayun, hindi naman lahat tayo is like gusto magstay sa Metro Manila din, di ba? Like it's really good din to kasi it's a bit cheaper than to live in the province, to be honest. And ayun, mas mura yung rent, 'di ba? Ang medyo shaky lang is internet connection, I believe, in some areas, but I think it's like getting fixed na rin naman. So yun. This is pretty solid news for Rockwell. And then ito naman kay Jollibee. So this is sort of a good news for Jollibee kasi mag-raise sila ng capital for this one. So JFC yung stock code nila. So nag-file na sila ng registration for shelf registration and listing, and initial offer and issuance of preferred shares. So preferred shares ito, additional dun sa mismong main common stocks nila na JFC. So, anong ibig sabihin ng shelf registration? So, hindi nila ito like i-offer like isang bagsakan. So, nakalagay dito, merong ililist na 20 million and then merong ililist na 12 million. So, it doesn't necessarily mean na yung unang ililist nila is around 20 million na agad. So, in tranches to, no? Yung ililist nila. Medyo mahal lang, no? Nasa 1,000 pesos per share yung initial offer price. But I'm not sure pa kung magkano yung dividend yield nito. But I really hope na it's above 5%. Kasi, I mean, I'm not sure kung sino bibili nun, no? Kung ano. Siguro, malamang institutions lang din. Malaking institutional investors lang din yung makakabili nito. Kung like, you know, it's below 5%, I'm not gonna touch that. But, if nasa above 5% ito, siguro nasa 5, 6, 7%, I think I'm gonna subscribe. If merong available, you know, na ma-subscribe, no? Kasi nga, in tranches ito, and I believe this will like get sold out in days or like in hours kapag na-offer na ito. But yeah, marami namang chances, no, na makakuha nitong mga preferred shares na ito sa initial offer price na 1,000. And I think kung solid naman yung dividend yield na ibibigay nila, like this will tataas pa ito ng konti kapag tinitrade na siya, but not that much kasi preferred stock naman ito. Then yun, additional information pala, diba isasell ito in tranches, nakalagay dito. And within the 3-year period yun. So within 3 years, no, so from 2021, kung nila i-offer yung una na offering out of that 20 million shares, dapat within 3 years, no, so by 2024 dapat na offer na nila yung rest ng mga shares na yun. Developing pa lang din ito, so wala pang naka-finalize kung kailan yung like offer date, kung kailan malilist, and then kung kailan ka pwede mag-subscribe, and then yun nga, hindi pa rin na-determine no, kung magkano yung dividend yield. So yun yung isang mahalaga. And yeah, para sa akin dapat 5% and above, but if hindi, I'm not gonna touch this one. Right, so mabilis lang tayo, no? So home stretch na. Ito bibigay ko lang sa inyo yung mga additional na nag-announce ng dividends for this month. So for July. So OPM or Oriental Petroleum Minerals Corporation, yung ex-date niya is on July 23. And then yung payment date is on August 20. Tapos yung dividend rate, medyo mababa lang siya, no? But mura lang din naman tong stock na to. But I wasn't able to compute the dividend yield, so you can just do that yourself if you want to. And then yung next one is RFM, or you know, RFM yung stock code nila, tas RFM Corporation yung name nila. July 9. So yeah, pwede pa naman humabol for this one, since tomorrow is nire-record ko itong video on a Sunday, so July 4 ngayon, so tomorrow is July 5, so matagal pa, marami pang araw. Yeah, so nasa 12.37 centavos, no, yung ibibigay na dividends itong si RFM. Kano ba yung stock price nila? So nasa 4.65. So I think solid naman na dividends yun. And kahit pa paano tumataas siya, no? And nagbigay din pala sila, no, ngayong Feb. Oh, so this is their second dividend payment for this year. So I think the yield will be pretty solid for this year for RFM. And then last one is galing kay Union Bank or UBP. Tama ba? Yes, UBP yung kanilang stock code. 77 pesos per share yung stock price nila currently. And then, yung kanilang ex-date. Wait, mali pala ako. So, wala pang ex-date. Itong cash dividend nila was nabigay noong March 4. And yung ex-date is Feb 9 pa. But, ang kailangan nating abangan dito is yung 25% nila, no, na stock dividends. So, I'm sorry about that. So, yun. 25% ibibigay nilang stock dividend, wala pang ex-date, wala pang record date and payment date. So, to be decided pa yan, TBA pa, to be announced. So, abang-abang lang tayo sa mga company disclosures ng Union Bank para malaman natin, no? And syempre, update ko naman kayo kapag if by any chance nakita ko na siya agad. And yeah, update ko kayo sa mga socials ko if you're following me there. Alright guys, end na natin yung episode here. Sana may natutunan kayo and fumabot kayo at the end of this episode. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. Help me grow the channel by smashing the like button. That really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell para wala kayo ma-miss out sa mga uploads ko every Monday and Friday, sometimes Wednesday. Follow me na rin sa mga social media platforms ko, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at MNPSPH. Another way to support the channel is through the YouTube membership. Click nyo lang yung link dyan sa description sa baba to know more about it. Again, thank you for watching and listening, everyone. Stay safe. I'll see you all in the next episode. Always remember, be Peso smart.